Hello everyone, I'm here with the Empties video. I don't have a whole lot of stuff, I'm just going to show you what I have. And I'm going to start right now. The first thing I have is Ajax. And I told y'all that I buy this from time to time because it's $1 at Walgreens. So when I see it, I get it. It's thin, y'all. But I'm going to tell you what this Ajax is good for. I just got a new washing machine and it's HE. I'm not a lover of HE washing machines, but since this is thin, this is perfect for it. So I'm going to be buying a lot more of this just because of that. In my regular machine in my building, it's not concentrated enough, but Ajax has always had a beautiful smell. And this is the Ajax Classic. Fights tough odors, used for pre-treating stains. Maximum fragrance. So it says good for pre-treating. I guess it would be good for that too. So it's decent. I was raised on Ajax, but it is watery. For my washing machine, I only have to use a little bit, so I'm still saving a lot of money with this. And another great thing is made in America. I buy a lot of imported items, but I do like to buy items too that's made in America, so this is a great thing. My next item is the Pine Glow Antibacterial Kitchen and Bathroom Cleaner and Disinfectant. Now, they sell this at Dollar Tree, and for a long time, we couldn't even get this. It was always sold out. I got this one at Staples. Some of y'all don't know, Staples have some household item out with laundry detergent and different things like that. And so this was 77 cents. It's a big bottle, is 1 quart, 8 ounces. Now, if you're looking for this to smell like Pine Sol, it's not going to be exactly like Pine Sol. But what it is that it cleans, and I'm going to stock up on this because I don't know where we're headed with, the way things are with the pandemic. So I'm going to stock up on it because it is antibacterial. And that's a good thing. But this is very watery, y'all. I'm just going to tell the truth about it. It's very watery. But I'm still going to get it to keep on hand. I got the Craftsdale 2-ply bathroom tissue. Thin tissue is nothing to write home about. It's not all that great, but at the time I just grabbed it up because I'm stocking up. And it was only $1.29. So that's not bad for 4 rolls, but they're thin little rolls. My next item is the Suave Essentials New Sea Salt and Eucalyptus Exfoliating Body Wash. So I brought this job probably last year, and someone said, let me know how that is after you try it, and I'm just finishing it now. And this is a great body wash, y'all. It exfoliates and is real thick. For it to be suave, is real thick, and it's great quality. So if you see this, please get this. And it will make your skin feel really good. think y'all saw me when I brought this. This is the Suavitel Rose. Has a beautiful rose scent. As y'all know, Suavitel is one of my favorite fabric softeners. So I will continue to buy it. I don't see this one much. And I got it at a independent local dollar store. And it was $2.49, so that's not bad. If you see it, grab it up, y'all. Next is the Gain Dish Detergent. This is the one that has the original Gain scent. It was good. It lathered up pretty well, and I liked it a lot. I brought some one time. I don't want to say the store because I was getting ready to say something, but that store, for some reason, sometimes I notice certain products is kind of watered down. And it's not Dollar Tree. I'm not talking about that. It's another store. And I tried this one time before, and it was good, but it was a little watery. This wasn't watery at all. So this is the Gain Ultra Dish Detergent. I got the Yardley London Moisturizing Bath Bar, English Lavender. I'm buying this. It smells good. It is a little drying to my skin though, but I love the smell of lavender, and it's a great product. I have the Palmolive Essential Clean Original. I buy this all the time. Y'all see this all the time. So, you know, if you see it all the time, I must like it, right? Okay, enough said. I have the Oxy Power Brillo Basics Dishwashing Liquid Soap. This worked pretty well. I forget how the smell was. Let me see. The smell is okay. Just your standard dish detergent smell, and it was good. There's one of my favorites, y'all. You know it. This is Ariel. Smells good, works well. In my area, they have it for like sometimes 60 something cents or 99 cents. And they have a big one, and I haven't purchased a real big one yet, but I will. So, that's it. Ariel. So my last item is one of my favorites. This is the Great Value Original Clean Ultimate Fresh Laundry Detergent. This stuff, y'all, a lot of you buy it because I be seeing it sometime in your hauls and stuff. This stuff is excellent. I could be wrong, but this might be the original of that product. It starts with a G. You know what I'm talking about? This actually smells a little better than that. And I think I paid $2 or something at Walmart. I believe, I could be wrong, but I think they have this at Family Dollar. But it's the Great Value Original Clean Ultimate Fresh Laundry Detergent. Great clean, great scent. This is the 50-ounce bottle. So y'all, if you haven't tried it, make sure that you get this. because some of those other products, they're starting to water, they're starting to not smell as strong as they used to. This one smells like the original. I think this might be that product. I think this might be that product. Because I told y'all before, someone in my family used to work at, I'm not going to say the company, but they had these products. They had the generics and they had the real brand. And some of those generics were the real brand. Okay. So I'm going to get off here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Love you all. Y'all, I may make another video, maybe 2 more after this. So you're going to probably see me. You're going to see me with the same outfit. Okay, so when you see me, say, oh, she's dirty. Y'all just been here a long time. Y'all remember when people used to do that? That person is dirty. They've been wearing the same outfit for 3 days. And so, no, that person is recording bulk videos at one time. And that's what I'm doing today. So thank you for watching.